Hi guys, today on Cooking with Stacy, I'm making this delicious and flavorful 3-bean salad using 3 different types of beans and some sweet peppers and some other ingredients which will all be listed down below in the description bar. If you're watching my video for the first time, welcome, it's great to have you here. Please click the subscribe button and join the family, and to all my amazing subscribers, welcome back. To see how I make this 3-bean salad, keep on watching. The first thing I'm going to be doing is to drain and rinse all my canned ingredients, my beans and my olive, and set them aside. Next, I'm going to stem, core, and chop the sweet peppers into bite sizes. I'm also cutting the tomatoes into quarters, and then I'm going to be preparing the remaining ingredients. Now that I have prepped all my salad ingredients, I'm going to go ahead and make a salad dressing using the ingredients shown here. And again, it will all be listed down below in the description bar. Making a dressing is completely optional, as you can use your favorite vinaigrette dressing. Place all the ingredients in a large mixing bowl and pour your salad dressing over it. Mix everything together really well and refrigerate for at least an hour so all the flavors can marinate well. The longer it marinates, the better it tastes. If you did enjoy watching this video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet subscribed, please do consider subscribing so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Until next time, bye guys.